In this video, I'm going to show you how to both manually and automatically translate your system. So what we're going to do is navigate over to the language that we would like to start translating, and let's go into Afrikaans, and you'll see that we have the different parts of the system that currently have language, and we can go into each of these and start translating them. So we can come here to contact access, and you'll see that we've got our first word here. So we can go ahead and translate this manually by simply clicking in here. And my Afrikaans is not terribly good, but I have a feeling it is geregistreer. I could be wrong, but there you go. So now I have manually translated that word within my system. So everywhere in the system, this will then be translated, that word. And you can go through each part of the system and manually translate it if you feel so inclined. Another way that you can translate all of the items in your system automatically is by clicking on the AI Translate button. But we would need to buy some AI credits, so we would come here to buy AI credits, select which amount of credits you want to buy, and then we can navigate back to our setup and our languages, and we can go ahead and hit translate. That is then going to start automatically translating all of the system language into these two different languages. Now, it is important to note that when you start translating things automatically using the AI feature, it is going to take a while. There is a lot for it to translate, and so it is going to take a hot second for all of that language to be translated. So please do be patient. Don't panic that it's not translating everything straight away. Give it some time and it will start to translate automatically for you. So I'm going to give this a minute to translate, and what you might have noticed is that a lot of this is system content. So it is busy translating system-based content. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use this translate feature to translate content that you are adding to the system. I'll see you there.